We have really good numbers for today's event. So I think the sponsors are going to be very pleased, and I know that we've impressed the general quite a bit. Actually, he's a little nervous too. So well done. So, company commanders, I'm going to have you dismiss your men, but be ready for the skirmish tactical weapons demonstration at 1:30. It'll be a quick, really hot, heavy scenario. American French camp, they're completely unawares, relaxed. The British will come up to that. You guys all will form up and massive force and just obliterate a few guys that came up from New York to see what you're doing. All right? So, with that, my compliments. Company commanders, please take charge of the men and dismiss them.
Ambush! Stand behind the barrel. Late 1776, the British have invaded and captured New York City, and they're chasing Washington all over the place. Battle of White Plains takes place in October. We will be reenacting that, by the way, so make sure to check out brigade.org for information on a full battle reenactment. So the drums are beating to arms, the men are falling in. We have this raiding party of British regulars. The color of their facings, you've got the 38th Regiment of Foot, and you've got the 54th Regiment of Foot. They also have special lacing around their buttons to identify the unit.
Take care!
In the green coat are American loyalists. These are Americans because they do not kowtow to any Congress in Philadelphia. We also have, in the center of the field, a German auxiliary from the Landgraf Regiment in his blue coat with his Prussian-style tailoring.
Freeze it! High elevation!
All of these men are firing reproduction flintlock muskets. Those are smoothbore weapons. There's no rifling in the barrel. It's the equivalent of a modern shotgun. They would be firing a solid lead ball, and with no rifling, the ball just inaccurate. Killing distance in combat is about 100 yards. So they're fighting battles on the distance that replays sports. Right? What sport can you play on a field that's 100 yards long?
Make ready! Make ready! Right there. Fire! Right face. March, march. This way. Fall away. Got on. Oh, front. Make ready. Make ready. Fire! Private load, quickly! You get your way on the right! March to the right! Quickly, lads, quickly! I want those muskets up! Next, ready! Elevate! Fire!
Send some of them down to fill in this line here.
This section, close right, close this gap. Make ready.
Make ready! Prison! Ah! To the front! Ah!
I saw him practicing it one day out in the yard just to they're hugging.
Take care! Down! Back to line! Prison!
Sir, I'm just going to put your meds in your bag. They fell out. Yep, there you go.
Raise the dead! Reform the army! The dead shall rise!
Bring out the dead.
The dead shall rise! Come on over, guys.
Mr. Hammer, Mr. President, wipe off your split.
Up on the right by the left heel. Let's move left a little bit. Wheel. Michael, got on me. Brigade! Charge on! Bayonet! Bayonet! Lead! Lower! Lead! More!
bayonet charge.
Shoulder, y'all.
Committed to a bayonet charge because you're closing the distance, and the closer you get, the enemy is loaded. There's a chance that you could really get killed. So I'm right about it.
From that face, Demi, come! That's what!
Battalion going. Make up. Turn and load.
Make ready! Raise it! Brigade! Present, y'all! Fire!
The Brigade of the American Revolution.
Thank you guys. Well done.
Shoulder, y'all.
What's up?
Company commanders. Just to be on the safe side. Have your men secure your firelocks.
Yo-yo! Ladies and gentlemen.
That's what?
Any order? 18th century cheer. You yell out, huzzah! Not hurrah, huzzah! Three cheers for the Brigade of the American Revolution. Hip hip! Huzzah! Hip hip! Huzzah! Hip hip! Huzzah! Thank you so much.
Company commander. Send my appreciation on a job well done. With that, I look forward to seeing all of you. If things go well, for the Battle of Brooklyn in Prospect Park.
Commander! Permission to lead a huzzah! Ladies and gentlemen, in the 18th century, you didn't say hooray, hoo-hoo, or hoo-hoo. You said the word huzzah. Can you say it? Yes. Come on, can you say it? Huzzah! All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the celebration of the 250. The cavalry isn't coming. Washington's not saving anybody. Albany's doing the best it can. It's done by people like Lynn Briggs and the Grange here, and RW250, and the Brigade of the American Revolution. I want 3 cheers for the United States of America, and I want to hear it. Hip hip! I can't hear you! Hip hip! I still can't hear you! Hip hip!
I wish you did
Once you're dismissed, we're going to need work details to report to Lieutenant Peace and myself. We will be starting by, if you're not familiar with the command of the general, it is for the breaking down of camp.